nandito po kami, nakasakay kami ngayon sa, ano ka tawag nito?
Gondol.
Bangka, yan.
Tama naman.
Yan. Bangka po. Pero ang tawag po nila sa Italiano.
Gondol.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Pakantayin natin.
Gondola.
Gondola. Yan, gondola.
O sige,
So,
pakantayin natin.
yan. Ayun, yun, yung taga Sagwan po namin. Oh.
Yes. Pakantayin
Yan,
natin.
taga Sagwan po namin. Yan. So, ngayon, gondola. Yan. So, yun lang. Sakay-sakay lang sa bangka. Ayos, ayos. Yan. Yan. So, yan yung kasama po namin. Yan. So, nagsama po kami kasi nga mahal po yung bayad. Yan. So, sa isang bangka po, kailangan mo po magbayad ng 100 euro.
Signore,
So,
can you sing?
Evan, happy birthday.
It's
Yeah.
okay. It's okay.
It's okay. Yeah. We want to hear Italian song.
Any Italian?
Yeah.
Okay.
Really stereotypical, so we don't like it. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
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 Okay. We're just asking you something stereotypical about the Philippines. It's a bit rude as a
Oh,
question. Okay.
I'm sorry.
No, don't worry.
Another minute.
Yeah. I don't care, but if you ask it to an older Congolese, maybe he will start
Really?
screaming. That's why.
Okay, but some of you sings, right?
Yeah, the one that likes to sing. It's like even the postman sings sometimes if he likes to sing.
I mean the gondola, during the gondola.
There are a lot of people that work in every job and they like to sing.
Okay.
So, ayun. Ayaw niya dang kumanta. Hindi daw siya marunong
Ay, ka na lang,
kumanta.
Sar.
Yan.
Mukhang singer ka
Ako
naman.
na yung bangkero.
So, ayan. So, ito po yung view. Ayan. So, dito po ano ngang movie yun? Yung action movie na sila patalon-talon lang dito sa Venice Canal na yon. Ayan.
Siyempre lalo mawala-wala yung mga ano.
So, ayan. Mission Impossible ata one time. Parang dito kinunan din eh. Ayan, si Tom Cruise.
Hindi ka nakatulog sa ha?
Alright. Walang tulugan. Yan.